Number 1. 1977 Chevrolet Nova Factory Original Running Driving, $2,700, Tucson, Arizona. Offered at $2,700 in Tucson, Arizona, this 1977 Chevrolet Nova is a factory original sedan powered by the 250 cubic inch inline six-cylinder engine paired with a rebuilt automatic transmission. It starts, runs, and drives. The seller emphasizes zero rust throughout, including trunk, floor pans, and rocker panels. It retains original paint with no body filler and a very straight body. Features include power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, new battery, original interior, and excellent glass except for the driver's side door glass. With 137,000 original miles and a clean Arizona title, this is a solid and affordable late 1970s survivor. Number 2. 1966 GMC Suburban, $2,500, North Lakewood, Washington. Priced at $2,500 in North Lakewood, Washington, this 1966 GMC Suburban is equipped with a 455 cubic inch Oldsmobile engine and automatic transmission with rear-wheel drive. It was last driven about 10 years ago and currently turns over by hand but has not been started. Showing 47,003 miles and a clean title, this black sport utility vehicle is in fair condition and will require recommissioning. Mid-1960s Suburbans are desirable for their rugged styling and utility, making this a strong restoration candidate. Number 3. 1978 Ford Fairmont, $1,800, North Minneapolis, Minnesota. Available for $1,800 in North Minneapolis, Minnesota, this 1978 Ford Fairmont runs and drives nicely with 67,000 miles. It features a six-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. Finished in yellow with good tires and battery, it holds a clean title. Built on Ford's respected Fox platform, the Fairmont offers simple, reliable late 1970s transportation at an affordable entry point. Finished in yellow with good tires and battle. Number 4. 1988 Cadillac Coupe DeVille, $4,800, Vail, Arizona. Offered at $4,800 in Vail, Arizona, this 1988 Cadillac Coupe DeVille has just under 88,000 original miles and is powered by a V8 engine with automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. An original California car that has lived in California and Arizona, it has been mostly garaged and remains in very nice condition for its age. The only noted need is recharging the air conditioning system. It comes with a clean title. Number 5. 1980 Oldsmobile 98 two-door, $9,000, St. Charles, Missouri. Located in St. Charles, Missouri, this 1980 Oldsmobile 98 two-door is priced at $9,000 and described as excellent. It is powered by a V8 engine with automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, showing 92,000 miles. The black exterior, black interior, and black half-vinyl top give it a striking look. Recent updates include new fuel pump, brand new battery, fresh transmission fluid and filter, and 4 new radial tires with under 100 miles. A clean, well-maintained, full-size luxury coupe with a clean title. Number 6. 1986 Pontiac Transam, $7,000, El Paso, Texas. This 1986 Pontiac Transam is offered at $7,000 in El Paso, Texas. It features a 5.0-liter V8 engine, automatic transmission, and black paint with new tires. The odometer is broken. The engine has been repaired and includes many new components such as fuel pump, fuel tank, alternator, sensors, and water pump. It has Texas plates in the seller's name and a clean title process underway. A solid third-generation performance coupe with recent mechanical investment. Number 7. 1984 Oldsmobile Delta 88 two-door, $800, Adair, Oklahoma. Priced at $800 in Adair, Oklahoma, this 1984 Oldsmobile Delta 88 two-door is powered by a 307 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. It has been sitting for a long time and does not currently run. The seller states the car is 100% complete and very solid, with carburetor issues being the reason it was parked. It includes extra hubcaps and a clean Oklahoma title, a budget-friendly restoration opportunity. Number 8. 1960 Nash Rambler American two-door, $6,000, Auburn, California. Offered at $6,000 in Auburn, California, this 1960 Nash Rambler American two-door sedan has a 6-cylinder flathead engine and automatic transmission. The odometer shows 60,000 miles and has rolled over. The body is solid with rust bubbles only on top of the fenders. Interior is decent except for the tops of the door panels. It includes a Continental kit and needs a head gasket replacement, though the transmission works properly. A charming early compact classic with character. Number 9. 1975 Pontiac Grand Prix SJ, $12,000, Gilbert, Arizona. Located in Gilbert, Arizona, and priced at $12,000, this 1975 Pontiac Grand Prix SJ is powered by a 455 cubic inch V8 engine with automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. It shows 54,000 miles and has a clean title. As an SJ model, it comes fully optioned and features new tires. It is numbers matching, runs and drives great, and needs very little to be complete. A solid example of mid-1970s personal luxury performance. Number 10. 1960 Ford Falcon two-door, $10,000, Oregon City, Oregon. Offered at $10,000 in Oregon City, Oregon, this 1960 Ford Falcon two-door coupe is more than 99% fully restored and has fewer than 100 miles since completion. It is powered by a rebuilt 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission. The restoration includes major mechanical updates, full interior replacement, custom paint, new seals, rebuilt carburetor, upgraded electronic ignition, and refreshed suspension and braking components. It is rust-free and has been stored since restoration. A ready-to-enjoy early compact classic.